Hello guys, this is a 2010 Ford f250. It's diesel. I'm gonna show you how to change the ignition key switch. Mine is gonna be harder. I had to drill it out because somebody tried to steal my truck, so they did a mess. I had to drill it out. But if you don't need to drill out and everything's okay, I show you. You have three little screws that you can use a, sorry guys, 6mm socket. Three screws goes underneath over here. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, 3 screws, and then you have to screw off the steering adjuster here. Sorry, I already screw off everything. So you have a little screw goes over here, and the tool is exactly a Torx 15th. With Torx 15 you can screw off this one. You pull over the shield, the steering shield, the bottom one. Okay, pretty easy. And then you have to, sorry guys, this truck, I cannot move the seat to have more room for now. With a little to drive, you must motherfucker, sorry guys, so sorry, this confusion. This clamp over here, okay, through is the code sensor with a screwdriver. You open it, there's one on the back. There you go. You take care of this, and then let me put my cell phone stuck in somewhere where I can show you the next. Okay, you can, there's a little button switch underneath here. You want to put your key inside and switch one. Okay, one switch. The second one is gonna be for the start ignition. So the first one, push this button gently, and it doesn't come out. There you go. Sorry guys. So there we go. This is a little button, must be pushed down and it will come out. Same thing when you need to put it back. At this point you put the key in, and how you see there's one groove here and one here, has to be matching with this one and this one. You see, let me show you better. Once you put it, insert down, oh shit, what's up? So you're done. Just screw up and that's it. That's it, on cuts, and that's it, you're done.